this over carefully, what you're required to do, so that you can ask me questions on Wednesday. And then there are a few things we want to talk about. This first pass, you're going to have to generate output. And so I want to talk about how to do that. So it says specifically here, for this first iteration, you will store all macro definitions in a data structure suitable for use during the expansion phase that will follow the next assignment. You're going to read the assembly language file, copy all macro definitions in memory. Your program will then output the source code to disk. Now, this is the first time I've asked you to do this. You're going to output the file to disk with the same name as the input file, but tack an E onto the end of the extension. So if the input file is source1.s, and the output file is source1.se for the expanded. I want to talk about formatting output too, so that it will look okay. I mean, you don't want to put tabs in; those don't look very well. All right, so that is essentially it. You're going to print the file for the first time. You're going to yank the macro definitions out, and then dump the file. Now, the line numbers aren't going to match anymore. That's okay. We dealt with that in the file parser thing. The line numbers aren't going to be the same, because if you have 10 macros and then some code following, when you yank those out, those lines that follow are going to be shifted up, so the line numbers are not going to match in the SE file. That is perfectly okay. Your file parser should still refer to errors in the original file. But you're going to yank those things out and keep track of the lines. I mean, it's an easy matter. You have something that you're counting line numbers, and that doesn't change, even though in the output file you have removed those macros. So the line numbers, if there's an error, should still match the original source code file, not the SE file. Okay? Well, we're about out of time, so I don't think I'm going to go and do anything more with this. Read this assignment. It's fairly short, fairly straightforward. It's not, some of you are moaning and groaning. It's not terrible. You can do this. So, see me if you have questions. We'll see you on Wednesday. Yes?